Today, I'm going to talk to you about my Realtor Bag and what's in my Realtor Bag and why it's so important. I'm going to take it inside and I'll show you everything that's in the bag. Disinfecting wipes. Lots of houses aren't terribly clean. Sometimes I need these disinfecting wipes when we come out of it to wipe down our hands, to wipe down maybe our shoes when we've come through the yard or when we've come through a really dirty basement. Tape measure. Always need a tape measure. Everyone wants to know what's the distance between here and here. And you can do it on your phone. There is an app for it, but this makes it easy for my client to be able to measure the length of their couch and actually see if they think their couch will fit. Food. You'll notice this is the very dry Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey, but this is a great thing for me to have with me in case when I'm with someone, they get hungry. There's no nuts, it's gluten-free, so I can give this to a customer and not worry about kicking off an issue they might have. And by the way, if you have something else in your Realtor Bag, let me know. I'd like to add to mine, or maybe you'll add one of these to yours.